everyone. I've been trying to reuse the paper from an old Hobonichi Weeks. I think my friend gifted it to me, and the back pages, I think a lot of the pages actually weren't used, but I noticed that the back note pages, they are actually numbered, and there's no other formatting other than this like grid and a slightly darker line here for the margin. So I thought that don't let this old Tomoe River paper go to waste. I cut it out of the Hobonichi Weeks, and then I trimmed up the edge because that did not look good as I was hacking it and like harvesting it out of this book. So there's a total of 73 numbered pages, which means half of that, like 36, maybe 36 little pages. And I thought I would try to repurpose this. It's like a photo album. I initially had my Coffee Monsters Co. stickers in here. I removed all of that. Actually, I put it here. I think I will put this into a pouch. I tried to remove duplicates of these that I have. I noticed actually some of my washi paper stickers are starting to go yellow. Like a few of them are not in good condition anymore. I wonder if that's a humidity thing, because they're not in the sun, so I don't know what's going on there. But I have a bunch of duplicates in here, or things that I think I won't be using that much, because they didn't actually all fit in here. And I'm hoping to destash some of my Coffee Monsters Co. stuff. I don't use it. I haven't really even used all of these. I think I went a little crazy with some of the workout tiny icons, and I used that in my Hobonichi, but other than that, I haven't been reaching for these. So I'm hoping that when it's not in this photo album, which was a little bit more difficult to use, then I will reach for them more often. I'm thinking of putting these into one of those plastic covers, like a plastic, I think it's like a pouch. Coffee Monsters Co. came out with a pouch. But anyways, I removed all those, and I'm thinking what I can do now is, this paper is pretty thin, and so I'm likely only going to use one side of it anyway. So I think because I won't be able to use the other side, I'm going to cut off the bottom so it will fit in here, and then I'll have to decide what to do with it. What I realized though is I've been touching these papers a lot because I've been trying to like tidy up the sides, and then I'm going to be cutting off the bottom, so maybe there'll be a big issue with my finger oils and such. I've tried to keep it clean, but I think I'll prepare by cutting off the bottoms, and then I'll probably end up using the little offcuts for my Ink Swatchbook. This one that I've got, I don't know, I've been doing a lot of inserts into these. Like for example, this one, this was some paper that I had cut off from the weeks and so I just washi taped it in. It'll just be a really tiny sliver. Could possibly do a whole bunch of different inks, but at least I will be able to repurpose it. I don't necessarily think that the paper is that special, but throwing away the paper seems wrong to me. Here, for example, you could really see the big, like the more chroma shading details compared to this Muji paper. So I think it is worthwhile to keep even the offcuts. Okay, so I'm gonna fast forward through this part. Okay, so I finished that part, and I had more pages left over than I thought I would. I thought I would have more paper than pages than these sleeves. That's okay, I guess. I will have to decide what to do with this. I don't know, I think I like it though. I like having this situation as a reference where you don't always have to be taking out the pages. I think that's very, like, that's really what this is for. It's a photo album. So I like that. I'll just take one out and I wonder, should I do like chromo shading? I don't have this many chromo shading inks though. I'm not sure what to do with this. I'd love to have your feedback on what you would do with like a old Tomoe River paper sheets that are in here. Like, what would you do with this? And all the little offcuts I have are so small that I'm not sure what I would do with these either, because they would just kind of go all over the place. If you had one of these just stuck in here, I feel like that's not a good use of space. I guess I could like tape them together. It's a lot of work, I think. But that was my activity for today. I guess I don't know what I was doing. This little photo album, it's like made of velvet, so it gets a lot of like cat hair and dust on it. So this might not be the ultimate landing place for all of these papers. And I think I actually have one more Hobonichi Weeks from 2019, possibly. Yeah, somewhere. So even older, yeah, it's like a very original Tomoe River paper that I could probably fill out the rest of these pages with if I ever needed more. So anyways, let me know in the comments down below what you would do with this, and I will catch you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.